Hey, this video is for customers who got the Freedom chair but are not sure how to pull it apart or put it back together again. So here it is. First of all, you have to separate the top from the bottom. You do that by lifting this. Then you have to disconnect these two cables. That's only for the old model. The new models don't come with that connection anymore. Okay, I'm going to turn it around for you to see what's happening. Then you gently push the backrest forward like that. Then this step is also for the old model. With the new model, you don't have to bend over at all. Everything can be done while standing up. And that's it. That's it. This is the heaviest bit. That's 14 kilos. And this one is 13 kilos. So it's pretty easy to put in and out of the car. Now I'm going to put it back together again. You do the same but in reverse. Align the dots. That's it. Now the carry capacity is 160 kilos, so that's pretty heavy duty for such a small piece of equipment. And the distance range is 15 kilometers if you use one battery. If you get an extra battery, you would be up to 30 kilometers, or if you want to use the 3 batteries at the time, it would be 45 kilometers per charge. So that's a lot. It's a great compromise between outdoor and indoor. It's got big wheels for outdoor use, and it's small enough to be able to maneuver easily in small spaces. If you go to a restaurant, you can drive it all the way to the table. If you want to, you can lift the armrest. And yeah, that's it. It's easy to put in and out of the car, very portable. It's great for travelers. Yeah, good for indoor and outdoor use. If you want to try it, we have one in the showroom. We've got one in Arena and one in the entrance. So come and visit us at Mobility Drive. We'll see you soon.